Hey everyone, you're watching me Vinayaka on VGS World. In this video, I am going to unbox a feature phone which I have ordered from Croma. I will be ditching my smartphone for a couple of days and try using this new feature phone and check whether I'll be able to use this phone as my primary phone. So without wasting any time, let's cut open the package and check what we have got inside. Here we have got the package from Croma. It's a feature phone. Let's cut open the package. It's a Nokia 2660 Flip, which got launched in 2022. MRP of this phone is 5,000 change. So we have got the battery, the phone, charger, so I'm inserting the battery and boot this device for the first time. Yeah. It feels so good to hear that tone. So here is the home screen. You can just see the secondary display, the time, date, and the day. This is the primary camera along with the flash. I'm not going to talk about the technical specification of this cell phone. I'm sure that you will get tons of videos about the technical specification of this phone. In few days, I'm going to come up with another video about how I felt using this feature phone as my primary mobile phone, and will it be really able to use this device as your primary mobile phone in 2023.